What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Now I am currently 20 minutes away from T-Bone's house, finally getting a session with Tony at Mountain Creek today. Definitely super stoked on it. And tomorrow we're actually going to be heading out to Missouri. With Nico and Carlo. Copa production is officially going down and Nico wants to film the process, so we're going to be heading out there tomorrow. All right, people, check in shortly. Hope you guys enjoy the session. We're going to go see T-Bone in a little bit. Here we go.
It's mad and shit, and it's great, man.
Look
Everybody's all mad. What up, bro? Yo, dude. Yo, look at this, man. So right in the Bentley, bro. Right in the Bentley. We're good. We're going to go on the Bentley. Just kidding. It's a mistake. Really excited, man. We got, like, actual sunshine today. Yeah. It's great. I can't wait. What is it, 40 out right now?
You haven't been in the videos in a hot minute. Give me a word for the people.
Bro, I'll give you a word for the people, bro.
Give me the word.
The word
What's the T-Bone
I'm
word for
100% cooler than Gus. That's the word, bro. So I screen time, everything, man. I deserve a higher contract, everything, man. And the other word, what I can tell you is, did I tell you about my homework that I have to do, man?
What's your homework? No, what's your homework?
It's the post-vasectomy, man. And in 5 to 8 days, they need you to do 15 ejaculants and then the 16th in a cup. And then they test you if you're sterile. I really can't wait. I'm pretty psyched about it because it's like kids like kind of a scam. It's a whole thing. What's up?
The session, yeah, man.
We're gonna go friggin'
let's go, dude.
Snowboard as I'm healing from all different things and go team.
Go team. Are your vibes cranking or what?
Mediocre.
Mediocre?
Dude, it's kind of shit out here.
Dude. Boys, what are the vibes?
Vibes, feeling loose.
Feeling loose?
Feeling loose.
Loosey goosey. Is that yours?
Nah, dude, it's a comic. Dude, the grab was a little iffy, but that was fucking sick.
You got one more in you.
No, bro, I'm good, man. I'm ready to head on out, bro. My normal membership, that does not include this. Sorry, man. Go team. I did great. Go team, EASTWAVES, take great.
All right, people, currently in the car going to my sister's place. As you guys know, might be a little hard to see, but we got Froth back in the car. Guy's gonna be staying at Angela's house for the next few days while Nico, Carlo, and I go to Missouri. Froth is on the move once again. Guy's absolutely frothing. Obviously had to throw that in there. We go start packing for the night. Got to drop him off, and then we're gonna be ready for tomorrow morning. So hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We're gonna get back into it right now. Here we go. All right, people, it's officially going down. We're leaving for Missouri this morning. Coffee vibes are definitely off the charts this morning, as you guys can imagine. We're gonna be heading out pretty shortly, and we're gonna be jumping into the Missouri video. Hope you guys enjoy. We're getting into it right now. Here we go. Look at this kid right here.
No shot.
This is your captain speaking. I just wanted to make sure that the vibes are immaculate and cranking for the duration of the bus ride. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right.
For a kids meal, that's why they drew the face on her.
That's so wow, you know what? I appreciate that. Okay. I would rather the face on there than not. I haven't had a face pancake like this, and I can't tell you.
She drew it.
You did a great job.
Actually, I'm like, you know, but let's be smart and let's make him a happy face.
Thank you. You did a great job.
All right, so we just left the golden pancake. Everybody is completely in rare form. This guy is... What? Yeah, got me. We went to high school together.
We did.
Why are you getting in the same car?
The same car as me.
I rented this car for work.
So you gotta go like this. Look.
All right, people. Last day, officially going down. We are officially filling the Copa cans today. Been in Missouri for a couple days, and the vibes are
cranking.
We are so on it. Rico Suave.
We're about to fly some technology around the hotel.
Are we putting? Oh, can we put that thing in the sky right now?
We're about to fly down the hallway.
Really? Are you gonna try it? Really?
Someone just comes out in the hallway and chops their head off.
Do not. Today we're gonna be going and filming the production process. Carlo's behind the lens on the Ursa. I'm gonna be shooting some photos. Nico's gonna be just cranking the vibes. So we're gonna get after it pretty shortly. Leaving here in a little bit. Here we go.
Whoa! That thing is intense!
All right, people, as you can imagine, we are officially back from Missouri. And I'll tell you what are the vibes has been used way too many times. Promise you, what are the vibes has probably been said, what? Maybe like 100, 200 times. All right, people, I'm gonna wrap up the Missouri video. Super successful trip. Vibes were cranking, obviously. Super sick to see Nico in action and doing the production on the Copa cans. So, as you guys know, youth arrivals are on the website, so if you could go check it out, EASTWAVESCO.com, I'd really appreciate it. That's gonna be a wrap on this one, so.
I'm glad to see you finally made a connection that fits, collection that fits you.
Can I add anything before I sign this off?
That's it. Stay beautiful. You know, take care. Shave your face. Brush your hair. Fuck. See you on the next one.
All right, people. That's a wrap. We'll see you guys on Monday. Take it easy, everybody.